it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Jeffree Star Deluxe I was gonna say vanity. Doesn't he have that tattoo on the side of his face? Anyway, I have my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Deluxe box unboxing. My friend Angel has been telling me about all the people that she's been seeing doing their unboxings, and I'm just like, I don't have my box yet. Where is my box? And I got an email saying that it was shipped literally the day before I got my box. So I was like, Jeffree, what the f? Where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? But anyway, it's here now. I'm very happy. Thank you. So let's cut this baby open. I got the deluxe box. There were 3 sizes. I don't remember what each one of them is called, but I got the middle one. This one was $100. When you factor in tax and shipping, it was just about $110, which is a lot. But for the amount of items that we're supposed to be getting in this, I figured it should be worth it. So let's still working on opening this. Oh, and I ordered whatever clothing item that I'm getting in this to be a 3X because everything looked like the kind of thing that I would want to wear an oversized version of. We got the box open and we got a Jeffree Star hat. All right, I don't wear hats, but let's try this on, see how this goes. It just doesn't work. I look weird. And I'm not, no, it doesn't work on me. Is this a t-shirt? Looks like a t-shirt. I assume that in the premium boxes they had the sweaters and the hoodie, but I wasn't about to pay $145. Here is the t-shirt. Ooh, okay. This is actually the hoodie design that I liked, so I'm glad that I got this shirt. So it has the little Jeffree Star symbol logo on the front in a little heart, and then the back has the rest of the hearts, like those little Valentine's Day candies. I actually, when I was a kid, I hated those candies. I still do. When I was a kid, whenever I would get them during Valentine's Day, I would use them as chalk. They didn't completely go to waste. I'm gagging, can't relate. Jeffree Star approved. Hi, how are ya? Iconic, and then Jeffree's logo again. I love it. And it's a 3X and very oversized, so that's like my everyday attire at the moment, except for last week when I tried very hard to like actually put outfits together every day. It was very difficult. All right, getting into, ooh, the straws. Okay, I really wanted some more straws, and now I have them. So it is the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set, and these ones are all black. Oh, I am here for this. I love this so much. Nothing in this tissue. Let's put it away. It's actually packaged like pretty well. I like how it looks. We got some big looking stuff in here. Is this a mirror? So excited. Okay. So here's the gloss. This is in the color Candy Drip. Can you guys see it? There you go. Let's pop it out of the box. The last box that I got from Jeffree was the mini one that he gave out during, not gave out, but I bought during Christmas, and I was so extremely disappointed. A lot of people were disappointed. I was extra disappointed because the color that I got for lipstick is like this horrendous peach shade that I would never look at on me. Ooh, okay. This gloss isn't so bad. Got my big old Shane mirror here, and I use that to apply some of this gloss. See how it looks. Ooh. Wow, that is shiny. It's a little outside my comfort zone because I don't wear glosses with shimmer in it very often. But this is really cute for like more adventurous days. I like it. It's cute. What is this? Ooh, okay, an exclusive shade. Doesn't even have a name on it. It's just a question mark. Even the actual color on here is a question mark. It has no name. Okay. This is definitely a metallic shade. It's like a metallic berry red. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh, it totally goes with my hair. Oh, okay. I am not into metallic lipsticks. That is not my thing, but it's cute. I think it's really pretty. Hold on, there you go. It's nice. I have nothing against it. I think it's really cute. Okay guys, I'm interrupting the video. I don't like the lipstick that much. I thought I did, but I don't know. It's not me. It doesn't fit. And it feels kind of funny. It's kind of sticky. Pretty sticky. But yeah, like the color looks interesting, but I don't know. Ooh, let's try putting the gloss on top of it. Why am I talking like this? Hold on. Maybe they're together for a reason. Who knows? Okay, I actually like it better with the gloss. Okay, now I like it. Okay, back to being happy. Let's go. Alright, moving on to the next item. It's wrapped up in this little green tissue. It's packaged really well, but I wish that the tissue that they used was more, I don't know, red and pink, but that's me nitpicking. Oh my god! 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 I got the mini jawbreaker! Oh my gosh! Okay, so I'm really happy with it. I did not buy anything from the Jawbreaker collection. Waiting for something else, and oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty. I do have brown eyes, and they always say like brown eyes and purple eyeshadow like go well together because purple plays up the brown. I don't know. I don't wear purple eyeshadow often, but yo, this Orange Crush shade, that is my color. I love it. I really do. I think the one that I'm gonna get the least use out of is going to be bubblegum. Yeah, that's a little bit much for me, but I think it would be really cute, like with a little bit of it in the inner corner or something. I'm here for it. I love it. I'm so excited. This was good. This is good. I told my friend that if I was disappointed with this box, I was never buying another box from Jeffree Star ever again. But so far, I'm really happy with everything that I've gotten. Woo, girl. Girl. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, it's a 24 karat skin frost palette. Okay, now I'm slightly disappointed, but that is simply because I actually already have this. Ooh, wait a minute. Do I have this? Okay, well, my husband bought me this one, and it does not look like this one. Did he buy a knockoff? Oh, my poor husband. He does not know, like, not to just always buy things off of eBay. So I'm wondering if this is even real at this point. This is what mine looks like. And it has Sarcophagus, King Tut, Dark Horse, Legendary, Giza, and Liberace. That's the colors in this one. And here's the one that I got in the Jeffree bag box. Oh my gosh, these pans are so much bigger. The difference in size here is incredible. I'm really thinking that my husband accidentally bought a knockoff. Like, there's no comparison. I am really, really happy with it. I went kind of like crazy trying to get Sarcophagus, and when I saw that there was a palette, I bookmarked it, and it was just like constantly sold out. So Ernie got me this one for Christmas or my birthday or Valentine's Day, something a couple of years ago. Or was it just last year? No, it was the year before that. It was definitely 2018. But yeah, there's a really big difference here. My goodness. I wonder if there's any difference with the color. There's Sarcophagus, super, super pretty. And here is what it looks like in the small one that I have. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell that the colors are not the same. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's not the same. It's not the same. And this is 2 layers of my old palette. Yo, I don't know if I should tell my husband about this. I think he's gonna feel pretty bad about himself. So I'll keep it a secret. And on to the last item, which is definitely a mirror. I just don't know what it looks like yet. I really wanted the black and baby pink one. I highly doubt that's what I got because there are other options. Let's take a look. Cut this. Gotta cut it open first. Oh, okay, alright. Not the one I wanted, but I can't complain. It's still super, super pretty. It's one of the iconic Jeffree Star mirrors. And this one is like the metallic, not metallic, but like mirrored pink. Very pretty. I love it. It's cute. But I would have really liked the Jeffree Star approved stamp one in black and baby pink, but that's just me. If I really wanted it, I should have just bought it myself. But spending $100 on a box already. Was not going to spend extra money on a mirror. Anyway, so I have the mirror, which is awesome. These straws, which I'm super happy with because I really wanted some. The 24 karat palette that I must have a fake of. I am so shocked. The mini jawbreaker that I'm super excited to use. How many products is this so far? Four items so far. The gloss, which I think is super pretty. And this shade, which I also think is really, really neat. And it totally goes with my hair, so I'm like really happy about that. The Candy Hearts t-shirt, which is super cute. And the hat that looks really weird on me. Honestly, I do not have the head for this. It's cute on maybe somebody else. And that's everything that I got. Honestly, I'm really happy about it because I really wanted the jawbreaker. I love the lipstick shade, the gloss shade, the 24 karat palette. I'm so mad because my old one is not like that. The mirror is always a nice thing. I love the straws. I really wanted to get some Jeffree straws. And these ones are curved. I don't know, I just think that it's like a really nice thing to have on hand. I like it. Every time I look at Jeffree's website, I'm like, should I get some straws? And I never do because I'm like, that's just excessive. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for Jeffree's next box set because I don't buy a lot of his products. I love his videos. I love seeing him with Shane. I loved seeing him with Nate because they just look so cute and so happy. But like I said, I don't buy a whole lot of Jeffree Star makeup because there's just a lot of other things that I want to try. And if I only bought Jeffree Star makeup, then like I would lose all my money. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. Don't forget to hit the notification button and follow all the social media things. And that's everything. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.